Are you looking forward to hear yourself on BandLab app? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily hear yourself on BandLab app. First thing first, move into your application BandLab. Click on Allow. Once you're in the home page, make sure you are logged into your account. Once you have been logged in, click on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen. After that, click on the recent project or choose any of the project you want to edit. Wait for a while for it to load. Once you're in the edit section, now in order for you to hear yourself, first thing first, you have to make sure that you are connected to headphone. After that, click on this headphone icon. You can see it says plug in your headphones to enable monitoring, which means that once you plug the headphone to your device, the monitoring option will be enabled, and then you will be able to hear yourself. So this is what you need to do in order for you to hear yourself on BandLab. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.